Hi, this is Bonnie with TLC, and today we're going to do a monogram with Embrilliance Software. And it's really very simple, but I will walk you through it. I'm going to select the A up at the top, and then we're going to go over here and select letters. And we're going to highlight the ABC and change it to the desired letters, which in this case is BJM, and hit set. Now we have our correct letters, and now we want to choose a font. And I'm going to go with bold cursive, and you can see it's too large for my area, so I'm going to downsize it to about the size that I want. Be sure to check your size down at the bottom of the screen. Make sure it's going to fit on your project. Excuse me. Now you can see we can do a lot of different things. We can stretch and we can slant and all sorts of things here. Space out the letters. We also have some quick styles that we can choose from. We've got vertical and square and bridge top, bridge down, pennant, and diamond is the one that I'm going to choose. We've got a letter sequence that you can choose from. Again, we've got more slant to whatever degree you want. We've also got some top and bottom settings for curve and grow, and just kind of fun things. You can also use the slider bar to your desired intensity. So now we've got that. Let's work on the color here. So we're going to select color. And we're going to look for our thread, which is sulky rayon, and I want something brighter like a lipstick red. So we're going to go up here and find that. And there it is. So I selected that. And so now we've got our style and our font and our color. And that's about it for the coffee cozy. Now, if you wanted to bring in other designs to merge with it, you just go up to the top and open wherever your designs are on your computer and merge it in. I'm going to keep mine plain just to keep the tutorial simple. So we're going to go up here and we're going to save this stitch and working file. We're going to do the save as. We're going to name it whatever we want to name it so we know what it is. And type that in, and then make sure that you're saving it in the right place and that you've got the right file format, and then just hit save. And so now we're ready to go, and that's what I want on my coffee cozy. So it's all ready for me to pull it into my machine. Now for the actual coffee cozy, I have a paper template that I got from my local coffee shop, and I cut out my felt. I found the center point on my stabilizer that I have in my hoop, which is a tearaway, and I found the center of my felt, and I matched up those two areas, and then I used a temporary adhesive to just stick it right on top of the stabilizer in my hoop. So everything is all centered. You can use whatever method that you're used to for centering your projects. Now we're going to go over to the machine, and I should be able to download my file I made in Embrilliance. There it is. I should say upload it to my machine. So now I've got my file, and I'm going to stitch it out on my coffee cozy. And there we go. Stitching away. You know, have you ever been in an office or a situation where everybody's drinking the same coffee or out of the same type of cup and you lose track of which one is yours? A little Monogram coffee cozy is a great way to keep your cup in your vision and not lose it. Not drink out of somebody else's. Okay, so there. Now we've got it stitched out. Now we're going to remove it from the hoop and pull our tearaway stabilizer off. Comes off pretty clean. You'll want to trim your excess threads and whatnot off, but the next thing you're going to want to do is line up the back of your cozy, and you're just going to want to stitch right on the top edge of it. If you wanted to do top stitching around, you know, the top and the bottom and all around, you can do that too, or put a decorative stitch. But you'll want to line up the back, and you'll notice because it's kind of cut concave that your seam will be at a little bit of a slant. But that's how you make a coffee cozy, and thank you very much for watching.